I'm gonna do some French fry chicken foot. Right here, we have one of them Maggi cubes. Right there. See, Maggi cubes. So I'm gonna put some all-purpose salt and complete seasoning. I'm gonna season it up, and then I'm gonna put another pressure cooker for about 10-15 minutes for just tenderize it. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so here, I don't know when I look at butter dish, you know, Jamaican love save. Jamaican love save them look at butter dish. You know, I save them just to put stuff in it, to put them in the fridge. But since I this a little bit here, I just season them up tonight. So now watch no face. Me a yard girl. Yeah. Yeah, me not hide nothing. It's just a thing like yeah. So me rub in this, and then when me come back and share the next step. Right? Okay, so I'm done. Done rubbing, so I'm gonna put them in the pressure cooker right now, and I will show you what I'm gonna do. So I'm adding the chicken foot in a pan. I'm gonna put it in the pressure cooker. I shake, rinse out the little seasoning, and also for this I'm gonna put a little bit more salt in the water because I want to come out have a little taste, isn't it? Have taste, right? So we'll be back. I'm gonna put it, hold on. Okay, so this my pressure cooker. Plug it in. Alright, so now I press start, but I'm gonna lower it. So I'm gonna pass the time. So I'm gonna put it to about 12 minutes. Oh. Let me just put it 15 just for good measures to make sure it's and it start. So lock the ear in, and it's all ready. So me come back and time this finish, we'll show you the frying part, the frying process. Okay, so I tenderize it a little bit, and I put a pinch more salt on it because I don't want it to be fresh, because you know chicken foot you have to well season it up. So I want this salt to go straight down to the bone. And I put a little salt on it, and then rub it in and mix it. I have my eye hot over there, so just mix it in a little bit, and then I put them in the flour and ready for fry. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. I always have some flour when I use season my my chicken. I always just put them in this, and when I'm done I just put them in the freezer. So I always have a batch, you know. I always have a batch. Yeah. So I add them in, shake them all in, and then we fry, and then that's it. We're gonna be done. Yeah, so when you tenderize them a little bit, it's much better. Trust me. Yeah, so I'm gonna shake this up and then get back to you and show you the finishing process. So ready to drop them. So see, they're just like this. So I will be back. I'll come back and show you when I put them in. So here you go. They're all in. I put it on close to medium. I'm frying them because I want them to be pretty and crispy. So you don't know, French fry, chicken foot, right? Just in my pot. Okay, so I add in 3 peppers because I like it spicy. And I put some garlic in also, 3 pegs of garlic. So that's it. cooking up a storm. Actually, I'm doing some stew pork, and I'm gonna have just with rice and peas. And you know what? I'm gonna turn up the stove a notch so you can get it right crispiness. But this is it. I soon be back and show you when time with this batch finish, and I'm gonna try my other batch. Okay, so I'm about to take these out now and put in another batch. Okay, so I'm all done. French fry chicken feet. And this over here we're gonna have with the chicken foot. So this is some brown stew pork. Yep. So that's about it. So French fry chicken feet. Don't know, support the channel, like, share and comment. Yeah, keep it real, guys.
She crawl up in my arms like a